I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to change your email on Cricket Wireless, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Cricket Wireless website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section, usually found in the menu. Step 3. Update email address. In the account settings, look for the option to update your email address. Enter your new email and confirm it. Though, make sure to double check for typos in your new email to avoid any issues with verification. Step 4. Verify your new email. After saving your changes, check your new email inbox for a verification message from Cricket. Click the link in the email to confirm the update. Step 5. Log out and back in. To ensure the changes have taken effect, log out of your account and then log back in using your new email. Changing your email on Cricket Wireless is straightforward if you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Happy updating!